All right, gang, at first glance, they're just standard mason jars. But there's a reason I pick up this kit. For me, I actually make bitters, and I'll explain that in a minute. But what makes this set so special for me is the included stickers, which I'm like, you can get labels anywhere, but also it includes a white marker with it, perfect for labeling these. They start out as just your basic mason jars, your typical standard size mason jar, nice thick canning glass. These are food grade. Does have your mason jar canning lid, so if you need to use these for actual canning, you can boil it and do that, or fermentation, you can do that as well. And it does have your typical locking ring. But for me, I like these not for canning, but I actually make bitters. Bitters are kind of a flavoring element used in making cocktails, and I've started making my own bitters. And so I'll use different elements inside of this along with some high proof spirits in order to make those different bitters, and they got to sit in that for a very long time. And so these are great because I can lock them in nice and airtight while they're extracting those different flavor profiles from cedar wood or charred oak or a chocolate or something like that. Label them nice and clearly, because over time all the bitters start looking the same as they start extracting different things from them. And then 6 months down the road, when they are ready to go, I can pull them out, clearly know what they are inside of them, and have my bitters for, my favorite whatever I might be doing. Anyway, if you're looking for a simple little cute little set, maybe you do overnight oats, or maybe you're doing parfaits or something like that, or something that just kind of needs some labels, check this set out. I think you're going to love it. It's got the mason jars, it's got the labels, it's got the white marker, it's everything you need.